right. Hey everybody, this is Kelly with Meta Marketing. So I wanted to show you a neat little trick for those of you with multiple CNAMEs or AKA tracker domains. One of the reasons why we might use multiple CNAMEs, we could have a parent company with different sub-brands or sub-organizations underneath them that might not necessarily have the same website or the same domain. So instead of sending them to the parent company's domain on a landing page or a file download, we can actually send them to a branded CNAME for that sub company. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can do this because it's pretty awesome. So if we jump over to our admin tab and then let's go down to our domain management, you'll see down here that I have 3 different tracker domains. We have the default, which is the go.pardot.com, but I also have my go.kellymetter and then my www2pardotgeek.com. And let's just say, because my primary right now is Kelly Metter, let's just say that I do want to create a landing page that uses my pardotgeek.com CNAME. So what I'm going to do is, and it's really pretty easy, let's just grab this first part of our domain here. Again, this is not our primary domain. My primary domain is the go.kellymetter. But let's say I created a specific landing page that I need branded with that secondary domain. So I'm going to jump down to my marketing landing pages. Now let's jump into some of my landing pages here. Let's use this testing landing page. Perfect. So this is one of the landing pages that Pardot created that we can bring into our instance. But we'll notice up here, again, because I'm going to my primary domain, it automatically adds the go.kellymetter.com. All I have to do is just select this and then add in, whoops, let's take out that go right there. So now I have www.pardotgeek.com, and we're going to keep everything else the same because it's still, even if we added, and I'll show you this in a second, the go.pardot.com, it's going to direct you to the same page. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Boom. So now when people come here, up here, we see the www2.pardotgeek.com. And we can do the same thing coming in here. And let's just say we want to use go.pardot.com. Boom, same landing page. So it's really pretty awesome. What you'll need to do is if you're sending out an email or you're doing a campaign on LinkedIn, you just want to switch out this area of the domain with your secondary domain, just like I did here. And there we go. The one thing I have noticed that can cause a little bit of issues is if we do have, for instance, let's go to this demo. So you'll see here, I do have the / and demo2. So it's not the unique code that Pardot puts for the landing page that we're seeing on this side. I went ahead and created a custom extension for the demo2. And so if we go here, and then I try taking this out and then putting in that, we're going to have an issue. That's the only thing that I've noticed when trying to use the different tracker domains is if you do have a custom extension here, it's not going to work. So we need to make sure that we create or that we use the Pardot's long extension. So again, if I'm using this and then I want to change up here, it does take us to the same place, which is great. So just a cool little trick if you do have multiple CNAMEs or tracker domains that you are able to use them in Pardot so you can really keep with that uniform branding for any of the subdomains that you might have in your Pardot instance.